How to change Instagram currency. So let's get started. First of all, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your Instagram account. Once inside the Instagram account, tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to your profile section. Once in your profile, simply tap on the three dashboard at the top right corner of your screen to navigate to the settings in privacy. Once you tap on it, now tap on the account center at the top. Now just scroll down and tap on the MetaPay. If you have enabled the payment method, then you will get to see order and payments. Then here you can tap on the payment settings and look for the currency option and select your preferred currency. As you can see, I have not enabled my payment method in my Instagram, but if you have, then you will get to see all the currency options available here. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.